All right, guys, we got a 2021 Chevy Silverado Z71 Trail Boss, and it's got a Borla ProXS on it right now. It's too quiet. He doesn't like it. We did it about last Friday, actually, he says. But as you guys can see, it's really quiet. Give it gas for me. See how quiet it is. Again. Again. I'll let you guys hear sound decibels on it. Start it up. You can see I almost thought it was off. It was that quiet. Here's sound decibels again. It's right at 92. It's very, very quiet. So we're gonna change it up. So Borla sent us out some Borla Ataks for the LS motors. And we're gonna try on this. All right, so stay tuned, guys. I'll show you guys the muffler and all that, and I'll show you what's under it now. This one still got the Borla ProXS factory resonators, and then we changed out the tips for them. So on this Silverado, guys, that I just showed you, there's the cats on it. It's factory Y into a single. There's a flex pipe, and then there's the Borla ProXS, but it's way too quiet for me. He doesn't like it. So we're gonna cut it off and replace it with a Borla crate muffler Atak, made specifically for LS motors. Part number is right here. It's still in production. It hasn't been released yet. So we're doing testing for them. And we're going to leave the stock resonators on it there and there. And then we did change the tips earlier to quads. That's the only thing that was replaced. That and the muffler. So stay tuned, guys. And if you guys wonder what the Borla Atak looks like on the inside, there it is right there on each side. Really cool design. Really nice muffler right there. So stay tuned. We're going to take this Borla ProXS out and replace it. All right, guys. 2021 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter Z71. We let you guys hear what it sounded like before with the Borla ProXS that he didn't like. So we took it off. We replaced it. Let me show you guys what we replaced it with. Catalytic converter there, catalytic converter there, Y's into a single there. Flex pipe is right here. And there's the start of the show, the Borla Atak crate muffler, part number 400958. This is their new lineup that's specifically for the LS motors, as you guys can see right there. It's made for LS motors. It's supposed to have no drone technology, but still give a really nice, deep, throaty sound. We hooked him up with it and see what he thinks of that sound. All right, guys, stay tuned. After the Borla Atak, right there, it goes and Y's out into duals on each side. We left the factory resonators on it there, and then finished it off with quad tips out the back. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's the Borla ProXS that we cut off right there. All right. You can tell it's still brand new. We did it last Friday. So it's been about a week. And he's like, I want it a little bit more throaty, a little bit more loud. We said, we got you. And he came in perfect timing because we just got those mufflers in and we're testing them for Borla. So Borla, thanks for sending them out. We're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. So with the Borla ProXS, it was only like 94 decibels. So let's see if that made a huge difference or not, or at least the sound. Big difference in sound. Take those resonators off. Again. The resonators are killing the sound. Again. It's a little bit higher. It's at 99 now. That's perfect. Perfect. Give us a thumbs up.
You nailed it.
Yeah. Here it is under here. Go ahead. Again. Here's sound decibels. Oh yeah, it's good. That's what you want.
It's not harsh.
Yeah, it's just clean. Because when you're pulling that camper, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be louder. Yeah, that's good. That's not bad. got stock resonators and Flowmaster Super 10. Sky Muffler, can you hold, please? That sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 93. Run it, back it out. There. It's clean though. It's really clean sound. Here's sound decibels. 101. So it's peaking higher and higher. Again. You guys let me know, did you like the Borla ProXS or this better? Let me know in the comments. It's a good looking truck too. It's really got a deep tone to it. Custom 5.3. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Road. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Guys, this truck is only got 5,800 miles. 2021 with 5,800 miles. It's practically still brand new. That is crazy. We really appreciate him bringing it in. Wow. There it is. Good looking truck. Nice thing about Borla, quiet at idle, but when you step on it, it takes it and sounds amazing. Just like you guys can see in a minute. See, it's at idle. Look how quiet it is. Let's see what she sounds like when I drive off. Are you guys ready? I am. Let's see. Borla crate muffler made just for LS motors, a 5.3, 6.2. What do you guys think?